and welcome back to my channel. Weld on Easy to Weld. Guys, today we're going to discuss a little bit about yeah, exactly. This is done when you see the people don't have they don't pay attention for the tools, and they don't have the respect for tools. It's really sad to see stuff like this because this has been changed 3 months ago. So I need to do again. Hopefully this time will stay longer. So I'm going to show you how I do this easy task. Normally I am cutting like between 5 to 10 centimeters of the cable. Reason why is when you not clamping correctly, the gun is the clamp is really hot, and then the cooper is getting harder and is breaking. Okay, and all the time you're clamping and you're moving to the different locations. Then this is the point, like on normal extension cable, when this is splitting us first. So if you will start somewhere there and you will put a new connection, then potentially will snap there again. So I'm going to take this one off. I don't know if it will be possible. Maybe I will need to completely, probably just cut it with the grinding machine. That was my coffee. Okay, not anymore. Not coffee today. So roughly the same length. You see? Okay, you need to be really patient. As this happens, don't worry. Then, because the previous clamping tool is gone, I don't know where, so I bought it my private. Again, good stuff from HBM, I guess. Going to try. Yes, this 50 is already set up. That's great. So that's good. Hopefully you enjoy my video. Make sure you are treating your tools the right way, and I try to remove this, but it's too melted, so it's melted very bad, so it doesn't make sense. Treat your tools the right way so they can stay for longer. Do not forget, the time to change the clamp is when this is not painful anymore. So when it's just like this, when you can squeeze really easy. If clamp doesn't hold, then even it's good, that means this spring, which one is inside, is already gone. Is not enough to get the force, or is overheated. And do not forget to tighten sometimes the wires, the bolts, which one is connected to the cooper. If somebody using this side for clamping, okay, instead those parts, that's the problem. And then is everything is going through the plates. This is not strong. The power is going through the cable, on the connection, and on the wire, which one is pointed from here and it's going on end of the clamp. And then there's not one cable, so one is for the right, one is for the left. Okay guys, hopefully you will enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, check my other videos, stay tuned, and then do not forget, Weld on is always easy to weld.